folks. Can't you tell spring is in the air? I'm so excited. I'm here in my front garden in Wilsonborough, just enjoying my beautiful baby grand piano, beautiful fall of water, a glass of white wine, and lovely music. Does life get any better? What are you listening to? Probably nothing, because you don't got a water feature. So how about you call me? 610-533-4433. Check out my website, aquascapesforall.com. We'll come, we'll build you whatever the hell you want. Happy days, folks. Spring is coming. Get on the train and do what I'm doing. Love and live and laugh in the pond life here in Wilsonborough. You can't make this shit up. I'm in heaven. People say, why are you so happy? Well, this helps. But check this out. Check this out. It's beautiful. Do you want one? Can you hear the music? Call me. Get off your ass and call me. Happy days. Boom!